Good morning, children. How are you, all of you? I hope you all are fine at home. So, in previous class, we discussed about air, water, and weather. In this class, we will discuss about light. Light. When you enter in a dark room, could you able to see the objects? No. Why can't we see that objects? Even if we try to see that objects also, we are unable to see that objects, right? So when you turn on the light, we can able to see that objects, and also with the help of candle also we can able to see that objects. So here light is the main source to see the objects which are we kept in room, no? In our surroundings. If we want to see the objects, so how can we see? With the help of light. Without light we cannot able to see that objects. So when the light falls on that objects, they reflect and reach our eyes. So when they reach our eyes, we can see the object and we can identify that objects. So here, what is the main sources of light? Now we will discuss sources of light. Sun is the main sources of light for our planet, and also like candle, gas light, oil lamp, and a tube light, torch light, tube lights, electric bulbs, fire, flame, and etc. These all are sources of light. So with the help of that we can see that objects. In that we have two types of sources of light. The first one is natural source, natural sources, and the second one is artificial or man-made sources. So we have two types of sources, that is natural sources of light, and the second one is man-made sources of light or artificial sources of light. So what are the natural sources of light? The sun has the abundant amount of light. So sun only producing their own light. With the help of that we can see that all objects. So and also stars. Have you seen nighttime stars in the sky? Yes, stars are blinking, in the sense they also produce their own light. So stars also we consider they are the natural sources of light. So what are the example of natural sources of light? Sun and stars. Sun and stars, these are natural sources of light. Actually source of light means natural sources of light, and whatever we are taking the object. So an objects which produce light, that we are calling sources of light. So what we are calling, what is the sources of light? An object which produce their own light, so they are called sources of light. What are the examples of sources of light? Sun, stars, candle, lamp, tube lights, electric bulb, flame, fire, and etc. These all are example of sources of light. So these sources of light divided into two. The first one is natural source sources of light, and second one is artificial sources of light or man-made sources of light. So, moving on to this natural sources of light. So, natural sources of light means what? They can produce their own light. So, the sun has a abundance amount of light, so that we are getting light, and also stars also they produce their own light. So, they are also sources of natural sources of light. Moving on to that artificial or man-made sources of light. So, what was that? Candle, bulb, and also electric bulb, tube lights, these all etc. So, which they are not produce their own light. So, that type of sources we are calling man-made or artificial sources of light. Okay. So, here light is a energy. So, light is a form of energy which we can see the sensation of vision, we can able to see that. Without light we cannot see any type of objects, even if we try to see also we cannot see that. So, with the help of light only we can see the objects. You know, light travels in a straight line, always light travel in a straight line, you know. And also dogs, not only humans and animals like dogs also they can see the colors of gray colors, and some insects they can see that ultraviolet part of spectrum, in that they can see different light also. And also we can move on to know that two types of bodies, that is luminous and non-luminous bodies. That is luminous, the second one is non-luminous bodies. Luminous bodies means they can produce their own light and they can give the light to other organism. For example, sun. So, sun we know that in daytime we can see without taking the help of electric bulbs, tube lights, torch light, candles, like that. How can we see that? Because of the sun rays. So, when the sun rays are falling on that object, we can see that. So, here the sun is a main sources of main sources of light. So, luminous bodies. So, the bodies like sun and stars. The bodies like sun and stars which produce their own light, that we are calling luminous bodies, and they can give the light to us. And non-luminous bodies means they cannot produce their own light. For example, moon. Have you ever seen moon in the morning? No, we are unable to see the moon in the morning. So, when did we see that? We can see that only in the night. So, in the night moon was very good appearance, very bright and very good climatic we can see in a night under the moon. So, moon is not producing their own light. Then how did we get that light? How means the sun rays, when the sun rays is falling on that moon, it was reflecting with the help of sun, the rays are reflecting, then we can see that moon. So, when they reflected that moon, the rays are reflecting on that moon, the moon also getting shine. So, with the help of that we can see that moon was shining. So, luminous and non-luminous. Luminous means what? They are producing their own light, for the example of sun and stars. And non-luminous means they cannot produce their own light. So, how they can get? They are reflecting rays from the sun, so that they can appearance like a brightness. So these we are calling non-luminous bodies. So what are the sources of light? The sources of light, sun is the main sources of light for our planet, and so the sources of light has divided into two types, that is natural sources and artificial or man-made sources. And what are the example of natural sources? Sun, stars, these are the natural sources of light. And what are the example of man-made or artificial sources of light? That is what is that? Light means candle, bulb, electric bulb, tube lights, gas lights, whatever we are producing with the help of electricity, those all are belongs to artificial or man-made sources of light. Okay, and these we can get two types of bodies, that is luminous and non-luminous. Luminous bodies means which produce their own light, that we are calling luminous bodies. For the example of stars and sun. So sun has abundance of amount of light. So all the sources we can get from sun in the morning. And moving on to that non-luminous sources of bodies, that is moon. So they are moon is not producing their own light, it is depending on the reflection of rays of sun. So that we are calling non-luminous bodies. Okay. Next, the light always light travel in a straight line. So always light travel in a straight line. Very good. And light, we will discuss what kind of light traces we have. Okay, now up to this, have you understood? Okay. So we will discuss in next class other. Okay.